Welcome to my channel. My name is Vkontakte. In this video, I will be teaching you how to get free traffic and followers or friends on all social media networks such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and the like. So without wasting my time, let's go into practice and learn these short steps. The website you will be using today is AddMeFast.com. AddMeFast.com. So what I have to do is to switch on the data and go to Chrome. You will be using AddMeFast.com. So you just go to Chrome and type AddMeFast in the search bar. This is the website. So if you haven't registered yet, you have to choose the register button and register at there. So since I have already registered, I will choose sign in. This is how the website is. The website. And for those who are yet to register, you can find a referral link at the description box and you can use that to register. So you just watch here. Look at the top right corner there. You have some points there. That is the point that you use to gain followers or traffic. So the first thing you do on this website is click on that bar there, that three bars there, and you go to free points, the free points tab. So with these options, you choose the one that you like to use in order to gain some points. So as for me, I will choose FB page likes or followers. You will be given some tasks to complete. With this one, when you complete this task, you will get 8 points for like or follow. So what you do is you'll be liking or following one's work and the work of others. As you follow, more points will be added into your account. So for this one, you like. This is one example that I will use to explain how this works to you. So as the page opens, you like the page of that person. So you can either create another account for doing this tasks or these tasks, and you just be performing these tasks. So after doing that task, you come here and you tap on confirm. So as you tap on confirm, you'll be credited with some points over there, and you do that work. So after confirming it, you will be credited with some points. So you accumulate some points over here until you reach the points you desire. So after reaching the points you desire, you tap on that same three bars over there and you go to add site or link. Add site or link. So you choose the social media account you want to get followers or traffic to. So we have Facebook share, we have Facebook followers or Facebook page followers. You can also get Instagram followers over here. So you choose any of them that you want to get followers. So for example, if you want to get Facebook followers, you tap on that one. You select the title and you type in the URL of that page. With this one, you decide to choose the total clicks. So with this one, when you choose 1,000 and the clicks reach 1,000, it will stop. And choose the number of points you have to give to each person when the person performs that task. So you can choose 5, so that the person will get 5 points when he or she performs that task. And you click on save changes. Just save your changes and you are done. And one of the following things I would like to draw your attention on is the daily bonus you can get. And that bonus is about 400 points each day. So as a new member, you will not be able to get that daily bonus, but as time goes on, this avenue will open for you to get that daily bonus of 400. So you keep watching until that comes.